Hi folks, Chuck McCown here. We got an unusual character in the shop here today. I don't know whether to feel flattered or what. This is not our blade. This is a competitor's blade, but they brought it to us to repair. It's cracking, and all blades crack. All blades crack. um, Especially if you're cutting arcs, curves, cul-de-sacs, tight corners, whatever. Ditch Witch blades cracks. Everybody's blades cracks. I want to point out some things here. This is a severe crack. Now, some of us put these lightning holes, and they do two things. They lighten the steel. They allow you a place to hold on to it, to sling it. They also allow it to dissipate a little more heat, a little more airflow through the steel. At least that's the theory. I don't know. But this is a big one. This is a big hole. Not all lightning holes are this big. And you notice this crack, which frequently, our blades included, the cracks originate up here somewhere in the root of the socket of the tooth. And they just grow because these teeth are getting hammered all the time. And they're trying to pry open this little socket. And that's where the cracks start. You can see, you know, I don't even see the cracking mark there. I see the chalk. This one's easy to see. So you see there's an array of cracks around this thing, but they get pretty serious. Like this one also has made it clear into the middle. That's bad. That's going to cause a big chunk of the blade to break off. Now it's also equally bad when you have a couple little tributary cracks like this, and they end up connecting. This whole piece of the blade will come flying off. So your saw operator's got to be diligent. Here's another one. Now these darn holes on this design they're so close to the sockets that they make it easy. So your saw operator's got to be really diligent. This is an easily fixed problem if you catch it before a hunk of the blade comes off. If a hunk of blade comes off, throw it away. It's not worth repairing. How you repair these is you take an angle grinder, you put it on edge, and you just gouge out a little valley, no deeper than half the thickness of the wheel. And you gouge it out and you weld it up. And you can use just regular mild steel welding wire, welding rods. It doesn't have to be anything special, even though some of these steels are hard. I was told that this is Hardox. I haven't measured it. I guess we could measure it before it leaves the shop. But irrespective, you don't have to preheat. Just gouge them out, weld them up, keep your eye on them. And I'm not quite sure if I should feel flattered that a competitor brought their blade to me or not, but I appreciate the chance to show another blade design and the fact that they too have cracks, and all of the blades that have cracks in the micro trenching world, they're all pretty much caused by the same reason, and they all pretty much propagate in the same directions from the same areas, and they're all repaired in the same way. But if you don't repair them, you're going to lose all the value in your blade. All right, folks, this is what it looks like after it's been repaired. You can see it's very simple and very easy. And the interesting thing is the softer metal that is used to do the repairs seem to have kind of a shock absorber effect or something, a stress relief effect, in that it doesn't want to crack so bad after it's been repaired. But